Alex and I are doing sweet and savory crepes. But first, we need to do the batter. Okay, a little butter in a blender, milk, a little bit of water. This is a sweet crepe, right?
Okay.
That's the best thing about crepes is they can be anything they want to be.
Yes. 2 eggs, some
I like the ham
salt.
and cheese.
I love that it's just all in a blender.
Oh, it's so much
Yeah,
easier.
I've never seen a crepe in a blender. I'm always
Sugar.
whisking yolks with flour. This is crazy.
We're gonna give a little
What
Buzz?
are we doing? What kind of crepe are we doing here?
Oh, you'll see,
What's
you'll
on
see.
it? Oh, is this a surprise?
You know, this
Please.
is the kind of thing you do smell on the street corner. When
Yeah,
you're
it's
walking
amazing.
through the streets of Paris, you follow the crepe
Usually
pattern.
they're quite large.
I Airbnb'd only where I want the crepe.
Oh, wow. What
Yeah,
if the
it's
crepe guy moved? Would you move the,
I sure
the
would.
unit?
I sure would.
That's absurd.
So you just want to get it blended. You don't want to over-blend it.
Jeffrey, are you a savory or a sweet crepe kind of guy?
I'm kind of both.
And do you say crepe or crepe?
I say crepe.
I say
It's
crepe.
crepe,
I
right?
don't say crepe
It's
in
crepe.
France.
In the fridge, at least an hour. It's got to rest, got to chill.
I say
relax.
gyro in New York, but
Yeah,
gyro
that's
when
wrong.
you're listening.
Yeah.
It's got to relax. I have one here. I'm going to take it out, and I'm just going to give it a little.
What's Alex doing over there?
I'm
I have
gonna
no idea
wake it
what
up.
she's doing over there.
I'm just grating some Gruyere. I
All
like
right.
a savory crepe.
Me too.
So what I like about these, really, honestly, it's a great, like a Sunday night dinner or something like that with the kids, and they love doing this. It's very easy. And look, it's like nothing, right?
Done.
You can put
Yeah.
anything you want in it. So we're going to have that here. We have a little, what is this, Jeff?
That is a leader.
A ledet. And we have a pan. We're going to brush it with melted butter.
Can you guys take French lessons in Aspen next year?
Oh, my heavens. They just,
Oh, they're jealous.
We got kicked out. They are.
Very
jealous.
jealous. I want to go
Jeffrey,
dog
you're
sledding
really
one day.
inspiring me right now. I feel like this is a good dinner for kids.
yeah.
Because you could put in that blender, you could put some spinach
Broccoli.
in there in that
Anything.
batter, any of it.
Iris is going to have broccoli.
Yes, she is going to have bright green cups.
Raw, raw potatoes.
By the way, I like that you didn't blend it too much to not what? Why?
You want it to start
not
to gluten.
overwork it?
You want to develop. If you develop the proteins, it's going to get tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want it tender.
that. So, just like a pancake, the first pancake never sort of
Yeah,
comes
I totally
out good,
agree
right?
with this.
Agreed.
So we just want to take it like
And
this
look at
and
you
turn.
do. Am I wrong to have a crepe pan?
You can
I
have a
could
crepe
do it on
pan.
anything because I use
It's
my
like the first
crepe
one never
pan.
turns out right. So, the French love crepe. They even have a crepe day, a national crepe day. I think it's February 2nd or 3rd.
Okay.
Oh,
Is that
wow.
interesting?
Do you want me to look it up really quick?
Yeah,
Not
would you?
wrong? I got you, Jeff.
Because you know what they're going to say if we
What?
are wrong.
Yeah.
You're wrong.
So we're just going to let it sit there. It's going to get a
100
little
times
brown
over.
before we see, that one doesn't look very good, right? It's always the first one.
Yeah, it's like a new car. You know,
like
you
a new
got to
car.
take it for a spin first.
So
So
break
it's a-
in the engine first.
It's a good way to test it, just to see how the batter is. But you want to let it get a touch of color. And I'm using a fork. Just be careful if you're a nonstick. You really don't have to make it nonstick pan, but it's so much easier. All right,
February 2nd.
February 2nd.
What?
Wow.
Guy,
geez.
sharp as the day you were born. Look at you in that jacket. Sharp, mind and style.
In style. Okay, so this first one doesn't look good, but now you take it out. And what's the tradition in France? Do you know what that does?
For the
first one?
dog?
Goes to the dog.
Okay. How do you say
Yeah.
dog in French?
Why are you looking at me?
Dad? I can't.
You better not pass it to me, GC. We're going to have
Oh, it got so hot. Sorry.
How
That's
do
a
you
real
say dog
tradition.
in French?
Le chien.
Le chien. It's a real custom.
C'est
Just
pour
give
le
it to the dog.
chien.
Right.
Yeah, not kidding.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna make this one now. Let's see if we
This
can do
is
it.
this is
Flavor's
perfect.
good.
Just like when you trim the excess lettuce in France, it's for the rabbits, and the rest
Yes.
is for us.
Okay.
Well, that looks really good. So you keep going. I'm going to get started on my savory filling for my crepe. This is my favorite crepe with perfectly salty ham and a luscious cheese sauce. A little bit of melted butter and flour, equal parts, to make a roux. And just over a low heat. This is, I don't want to make it browned. I'm not looking for a nutty flavor. I'm really just looking for this flour and butter to melt together. Even this makes me hungry. A little bay leaf. You need that
Yes,
bay leaf, the
I
bay
like
leaf
that.
vibes. This is
Fun.
slowly starting to thicken up. The flour, the milk, that bay leaf is steeping in there. Add just a pinch of salt. And as it thickens pretty quickly.
Yeah.
If you cook it steadily over a medium-high heat. And then I just add a half a cup of Gruyere. I do add a touch, a little parm. I know we're in France. And it really, I know you're gonna say, can it be Monterey Jack or you know, cheddar. I need
Swiss.
Gruyere here. I just need, Swiss.
How about fromage
Yeah.
américain?
No, jamais.
Yeah, American cheese.
I said
Yes,
that.
with some ham.
Boom.
No.
With some ham on.
No, not here.
No.
Jamais. So
Cheesy, your
I
crepes
added
are
the cheese
beautiful.
together, and this just smells so good, right? Just really what a Mornay sauce is. So you have two sides to the crepe every time. I think that beautifully brown side. I definitely put that on the underside, so when we fold and close,
Fold
you've
and
got
close.
the beauty side on the outside. This beautiful cheesy Mornay that I made with a little bit of the Gruyere. Now, a lot of crepe technique says just put everything in one little area and then fold it up. I like to do the whole thing.
Jeff
And
would
then
say
fold it up.
Sacre bleu.
Sacre bleu, right?
There it is. I
Now,
said that.
we are warming, right? Because we don't want this to be cold. This sauce with all the cheese in it, it'll thicken up a little bit. So you're just kind of looking for that to kind of warm a little, right? In the pan, nice and easy. And then I do add just a touch more parm because I'm not really gonna put any salt on here. Let's just say a little pecorino or a little parm. And sometimes you can get a little bit of that cheese on the edge,
Still going.
you know?
Just a little, huh,
Yeah,
Alex?
just a touch, all right?
It's a small grind. It's
She has a
small
lot of
grind.
chopped salad. She can afford a little
It's a
cheese
small
plate.
I like
Fine.
the cheese. Give it to me.
And then
It's a tiny
ham.
corner she did there.
And then just a ham, you don't want an over-the-top ham here. And I don't want prosciutto or anything
Too
really.
chewy.
Yeah, or almost too
The
flavorful.
Jambon Royale.
Okay.
like that.
A little ham.
It does.
Again, this is overfilled shamelessly.
It's a quesadilla.
Can you even
I have
can you
no-
fold it again?
It's a crepes-a-dia.
I
Yeah.
like a thick one,
It's a
Alex.
trapesadilla because
That's
we're
right.
traipsing.
Oy vey.
She knows her audience. Overfill it for
Now
me.
you should hear a little sizzle. Yeah, this is overfilled and I don't care. This is America.
Oh my God!
Blix.
I'm
First of
so
all,
happy.
the crepe itself is so nice and tender, Geoffrey, and you do get that buttery flavor.
It's a great
And
batter.
It's a great batter. And the Mornay sauce is just the right amount of cheesiness. That Gruyere gives you that wonderful nuttiness.
Oh, I'm so glad.
The ham is perfection. The whole thing. I mean, even though it's overstuffed, I'm gonna say it's just right.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's what I'm saying.
All right.
doing?
Now it is time for the sweet filling. Oh, my dear.
On y va.
These are my crepes with lemon, ricotta,
Oh, yeah.
very dark chocolate. Ricotta, fresh. Lemon juice, lemon zest, honey,
Oh.
and a very copious amount of vanilla bean paste. I
That's
love vanilla
right.
bean paste.
Oh dear.
I overuse this.
So
it's
great.
absurd the amount I use, but I think it's so
Coming.
good.
Cooking room.
A little different. I'm gonna put this in the middle as well, but I'm not gonna put a lot.
So,
Why?
Geoffrey, you don't heat this up. You just
No,
do it
just like this.
room temp.
Yeah.
I love making these
Parfait.
things. I will make something like this with more joy than I will eat it. I don't think we talk enough about that. Sometimes you love to make something even more than you want to eat it. You want to make it and
So
give
true.
it and watch
Yep.
someone eat it.
All right. So that's not hazelnut spread. That's
No,
dark chocolate.
Wow.
Jeffers, and you're
And
putting
that's
some
honey?
more honey.
You'll see it's not that sweet.
Geoffrey, I love this.
I know, so beautiful. What a special
Almonds?
dessert to serve as well. And the way that you did the crepe in advance and then put it together,
Voilà.
like,
C'est ça?
really
Bon appétit.
smart.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Gorgeous.
Come on, Jeezy. Come on.
You know what I'm doing right now.
Sometimes I text Jeezy like, how do I do this? How
She
do I
does.
do
It's so
that?
cute.
And you
And
always
like I
hit me right back.
Right away. No delay.
No delay.
He doesn't answer my text.
It's not true.
Good to know.
Oh,
Yeah?
this
Noted.
is like, I mean, talk about, now I haven't tried Alex's yet, but I know that's unbelievable. But this right here, to end a meal with some indulgence, but not overindulgence.
That's
you know,
sweet,
in
right?
the lemon, in that ricotta, in just the freshness you get from the zest in there is such a wonderful combination for that dark chocolate. I'm glad this isn't like gooey chocolate hazelnut paste, just like dark chocolate, lemon, creaminess, and then the crunch from those almonds on top. Unbelievable.